Have you ever dreamed of eating an ice cream that tastes absolutely wonderful and is actually healthy for you? Well, stay tuned because in this video I'm going to show you how to make a simple coconut mango vegan ice cream with only a few ingredients and makes the perfect dessert. To pull this off, we're going to need some fresh coconut milk that I just made, locally sourced Hayden mangoes that I harvested and froze in the freezer, a pinch of salt, and organic dates. So the main ingredients are all organic. To pull off this ice cream, I'm going to use a Vitamix and blend everything together. I'm going to use these 2 quarts of mango, which is a half a gallon of mango. And then I'm thinking about one of these, which this is 2 quarts also. So it'll be about a 1-to-1 ratio. And I'll go from there. If I need to add more coconut milk, then I will. As you can see the bottle right here, you can see that there's 2 layers. The bottom layer is pure water, and then this is pure coconut cream right here. Because I just made fresh coconut milk, and when you let coconut milk sit in the fridge for a little while, it always separates. So ideally we want mainly the cream to mix with the mangoes to make the ice cream. And even if you get a little bit water, it's okay, because as you can see, there is way more cream than water. Okay, let's get started. So I'm thinking I'm going to put about 4 or 5 dates for every quart of mango and coconut milk and see how it tastes from there. Pro tip, whenever you're dealing with dates, always check the inside where the pit is before you eat them or add the dates into something. Because what I find is sometimes there can be mold that grows in between the flesh and the seed. For some reason, sometimes I guess moisture can get stuck in there. And you'll see like black mold. You know, it'll be so obvious. Like this one doesn't have it, as you can see. I'm not sure if you can see from there. But the seed looks clean. But when there's mold growing, it'll be all black where the pit is. So we'll start with 4 dates. I'm going to add the coconut cream first. It's so thick. Wow. Let's start with that. This thing smells so good. It's from this summer. And I just threw it in the freezer because I had too much mangoes. So we're going to have to scoop it out. Wow. Then blend it up real quick. This is a very simple and healthy ice cream to make and absolutely delicious. I don't usually care for my ice creams to be so sweet. You know, just a tint of sweet is perfect. I'm just going to pour it in mason jars and throw it in the freezer. I'm going to add a pinch of salt. And taste test. Absolutely amazing, because the pinch of salt just really brings out the flavor. It's so creamy. Fresh and locally sourced. Ready? Round 2. If you want to learn more about plant-based milks, especially fresh coconut milk, then check out my other video where I show you how to make a fresh coconut milk right from scratch. I'll leave a link for that video above and down in the description box below. Check out that video, because if you're interested in plant-based milks, then that video will take you through the process in how to make a thick and creamy fresh coconut milk right from scratch. Here we go. Hope. I'm gonna blend the dates and the coconut milk first. Okay. Once we got that, now we add the quart of mango. Oh, this was so good. Oh. And a pinch of salt. Perfecto. Okay. Smells absolutely divine. Oh, and tastes like it too. So awesome. Yes. I love using the dates because it doesn't liquefy the cream anymore. It helps to keep it thick still with just the coconut cream and the dates with the mangoes. It's a perfect mixture for this vegan ice cream. So in the end, I created a little over a gallon of organic coconut mango vegan ice cream. It smells so fragrant. A super simple and healthy dessert that you can make in your own home. And that's how you make a locally sourced organic coconut mango vegan ice cream with just a few ingredients. I'll leave some links down in the description box below on some of the ingredients that I used today, like the Himalayan salt, organic dates, and a pack of organic canned coconut cream that I usually use when I can't get my hands on fresh coconuts. I will also leave a link for a Vitamix. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this, then watch this video right here where I show you how to make a simple coconut cherry plant-based ice cream right from scratch with only a few ingredients. And this ice cream is going to be one of the best tasting ice creams that you ever had. Watch this video right here and I will see you there.